One of my first 3D printing project requests came from my wife, because we have this digital frame and it was now moved on this place. But if it is angle, maybe you can see it reflects the light. But now it is almost in the same level as our eyes. So she asked for some kind of holder where it will stay vertically. It's very good warm-up project, so let's do it. Okay, let's see. So probably I will use this flat surface for it, so something which I will place it here. I'm just thinking probably it will be in two pieces. The most important part will be these two parallel surfaces. This I will insert this frame and something like this. Of course with rounded edges, but I will add that later. Most important dimension will be this. And of course I have to think over how high should be this part here. Let's measure. 11.1. Oh, it's not equal. 11.3. 11.4. And the only one on this side, the maximum is 29. I have to be careful. There is some kind of sensor, maybe the light sensor when it turns on when it's dark, or maybe. But if it will be from two pieces, it will be here and here, and here the maximum depth is max 45. 25. That should be enough. Okay, one more thing. Well, I was thinking this is the flat parallel surface. There is some kind of curve, but it is hard to measure, so I will ignore this one. I will just create this as part of some kind of rectangle. Okay, let's do it in Fusion 360. Let's start new sketch. Most important is to create a construction line. It's the symmetrical line. So it's construction line. Let's make it fixed so it doesn't move when we do other operations. Let's start drawing with rectangles. From bottom. Okay, now let's make this symmetrical. And distance between these two lines is 11.4 millimeters. Okay, let's keep this dimension 2 millimeters. Also this one here. That's it for now. Let's draw the base. 60 millimeters should be enough. Yes, I think it will be okay for the first try. We will see should I modify it or not. Let's trim the lines we don't need. Okay, let's round the edges. Fillet. 1 millimeter. Yes, that's very good. 1 millimeter. Maybe here I should add more. 5 millimeter. Okay, that's very good. This is it. Let's give it the third dimension. Hmm, 6 millimeters. Great. Okay, make 3D print. Let's save it. Digit frame. And now let's slice it to prepare this STL5 for 3D printing. So this is the. Can I imported now in the slicer this STL5. Only I added these rounded edges here. It would be nicer. Let's choose. Okay, it will be PLA 0.15. Okay, that will be it. Slice. Let's preview. I will raise the fill density just in case, because it doesn't use too many filaments, to 40%. Okay, slice again, yes. So this is the procedure. Okay, export G-code. And let's copy G-code to the SD card of my Prusa 3D printer. Okay, the G-code is now on this SD card. Let's clean the bed, very important part. Isopropyl alcohol. Print from SD. Digital frame holder. It's preheating now. Oh, I forget to change the color. It will be in blue, but my wife don't like the blue one. We will see, should I print again a new one or it will stay in blue. Okay, the temperature is now prepared. It's leveling the bed. And according to the slicer, it will take approximately 15 minutes, one piece. The moment of the truth. And from this we get this. It's not the same, but let's see if it works. Before, I would like to check this dimension. It should be 11.4 millimeters. I thought it will be a little bit smaller. Let's try if it works if I press it in the middle. Wow. Okay, well, the only problem will be it's in blue color. Great. Let's print the other one. One thing I am thinking that maybe I should replace to add here another support because it is too soft. Okay, I printed the first holder, but I want to add a support here on the back side. So let's add it to this sketch. Mm, 2mm, 1.5. No, minus 1.5. Okay, let's trim the unused part of the lines. That will do it. Okay, I will keep the first version and the other part because I need two holders. This will be with the support on the back side. Okay, let's print it. 51% is printed. It works. Great. It works, and this was my first attempt. So my first 3D printing project mission completed. The only problem is I'm afraid that my wife will don't like the blue color. But we will see. I will upload the STL files to my website, to this link. Of course, it's good only for analyzing, but it's not useful except if you don't have the same digital frame, which is Sencor SDF 1016. That's it. I hope you find this a little bit interesting at least, and follow me to my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye.